This is La Prayer. Ano? Mami, nag-practice tayo. Hey guys! Welcome back to Alicia TV. So for today, I have a very special guest! Kitang-kita guys kung kanino nagmana. You know, may kaartehan. It's all her. Yes. So this is my mommy. Super kulit. Pinagbigyan ko na. Actually, I'm about to sleep na. And because we're leaving tomorrow for Korea, and I want to sleep early, sobrang kakulitan. Ayan na. Ayan na. Para ako, mommy, nakaset up na. Now, let's go. Okay, so for tonight, my mom is going to show me her skincare routine. And gagayahin ko siya. Kasi medyo social yung mga gamit niya. At wala akong ganito. So, let's try it on my face. Kasi pinapagtawanan niya yung skincare routine ko. As in, kaya next time ko na yun i-upload kasi medyo nahiya na ako. Okay, first, so, yeah. I already cleaned my face. Yeah, me too. New Skin Luminous Spa. Then, Lumis Spa! Luminous Spa! Galing yun! Luminous Spa!
2,000 years later.
Siya, may palumis pa siya from New Skin. Ako, Kojic lang ako. Kojic. Ayan. So, okay. Nag-wash na ako ng face. And then next, what's your... Okay, next. This is, La Prayer. La Prayer. Ano? Mami, nag-practice tayo. La Prairie. Yeah. So, FYI, puro La Prairie to. Ni-research ko pa kung anong pronunciation. Kasi tawag namin dito, La Prairie. So, it's called La Prairie. Okay. First, I'm going to use the white caviar. White caviar. Hindi tayo matatapos. First, I'm going to use the White Caviar Illuminating Clarifying Lotion. This is from La Prairie. Ah! Okay. So, sasabayan kita ha. Okay. Para makatikim naman ako niyan. Yes! So, itong White Caviar Illuminating... So, kailangan pataas siyang ganyan? Ah, pataas. Okay. So, is this like a toner? Yes. It's a toner. Okay. It's dirty. Okay. Kailangan pati neck. Okay. Including neck. Okay. Next step. So, this is step number 2. Okay. Step number 2. I'm using this Dermo Caviar from La Prairie also. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is very complicated one. This is caviar. I'm using the one with like this before. Pump! With the pump before, but it's very expensive. But this one is much cheaper, but it's complicated. Okay. Okay. At least it's cheaper. They provide this one. So by the way, yung mom ko yung pinaka addict sa skincare, nakakilala ko actually. As in, mas marami pa siyang alam kesa sa kailangan meron din ang neck. Na press na siya. Okay, so yung caviar, meron siyang parang essence inside. So, basically, pinipress lang siya to your face para matanggal yung loob. Okay. So, ayan. Gagamitin ko yung Usenet ni mommy. Dahil anak naman niya ako. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Naririnig ko, ayan o, may sound. Pumuputok-putok siya. Yeah, okay. Okay, next. While waiting for you, I'm using this para pumasok yung cream sa loob ng face ko. Oh, okay. So, kailangan palu-paluin yung face. Yeah. Okay. So, pang-papasok siya or like pang-pa-firm din? Pang-pa-firm. Oh, I actually, by just feeling it, oil-based siya. Parang oil yung nasa loob ng caviar.
Okay.
Okay.
Next,
So, papaluin ko rin.
next
You
is
can
the
use
Skin Caviar Cream Lux. This is my moisturizer for night and day.
So, what can you say? Do you have any skincare tips to everyone?
Yeah. Kailangan every time nagagamit kayo nito, imamassage nyo gently yung face nyo.
Okay, gently.
It's upward. Always upward.
Upward. Okay. Upward for lifting?
Yeah.
Okay. So, actually, yung tumatak talaga sa akin na sinabi ng mom ko about skincare is you have to start now. Habang, alam mo yun, habang bata ka, habang hindi pang ganun kasira yung face mo, wala ka pang wrinkles and stuff. It's better to start now than nandyan na, tapos papaalisin mo. It's better to
Yes.
prevent it. Right?
Prevent the wrinkles. Mahirap kasing i-repair if it's damaged na.
Yeah.
So, kailangan at an early age, gumagamit ka na ng skincare para ma-protect yung skin mo. And before, may eye bag ako. Now, I'm using this one. Caviar extract. So, extracts to ng caviar. So, I'm putting here.
You show it to them. You show it to them.
Okay. Kailangan ang gagamitin natin is this finger. Kasi ito, malakas yung pressure niya. So, very sensitive yung skin natin sa face. So, I'm using this one.
Okay. Zoom out ko lang.
Like this.
For the eyes.
Okay. Then, gently massage. Upward also. This is called Skin Caviar Lux Eye Lift Cream also. This is for eye lifting also. Okay. So, just a little portion like this.
Okay.
Every time you use your skincare, use spoon to prevent bacteria inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, natutunan ko yung kay Tati from the international beauty vlogger. So, wag mo siyang kakamayin na ganun. Always use a spoon. Or a spatula. Munti ko na kamayin. Okay. So, this is for the dark under eyes. For the lines.
Cellular Swiss Ice Crystal Dry Oil.
Okay,
Yan.
bakit sa
Oil
last
siya?
Bakit
Para
last yung oil?
ma-hold niya lahat ng nilagay mo sa skin mo. Ayan. Tsaka to prevent dryness of your skin.
So, mommy, kailan ka nag-start mag-skincare?
When I was
Tell us.
45 years old. Nung nakikita ko na nagkakaroon na ako ng mga lines. Yun.
So, before La Prairie, what brands were you using?
I'm using Shiseido. Ano pa ba? Shiseido. Ano pa? Marami. Iba-iba. Adik ako sa skincare eh.
Parang before, nag-Obagi.
Yes, Obagi.
Yeah. Pero ito yung pinaka nagustuhan mo, La Prairie.
Yes. Kahit na gabi na, kailangan naka-sunblock tayo. Yes.
Seryoso ka ba?
Yeah. Actually, yung mga ilaw na yan, may effect yan sa skin natin.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo?
Alam
Na
ko.
kahit gabi, pag sa sunblock ka?
Yes.
Okay, comment down below what you think, if that is true or not. Because for me, parang hindi. Parang pang sun siya. Pero, medyo may sense naman na if
Actually,
ever.
lahat ng yung ilaw, nakakasunog din yan ng balat natin, no? Then, this one. Collagex Premier. This is a serum mist. So, spray lang natin siya. Cover your eyes. Okay. Then,
Ba't mo kinover yung eyes mo?
syempre, para ma-protectionan yung eyes mo.
Ganyan ka, tapos spray?
Yeah.
For me, this is what I do. I just close my lips.
Okay. I'm
Like that.
fresh and ready to sleep.
Okay, wait. I'll spray first. So, para lang siyang setting spray. Refreshing. Mommy, alam mo may kulang ka sa skincare routine mo.
What?
Lips! Hindi ka nagli-lip balm.
Actually, I have lip balm.
What
But
is it?
it's also La Prairie.
Hindi mo na nadala.
Yeah.
Nasa room nila. So, yeah. So, I have Lucas Papaw. I think everybody knows this. So, yeah. This is what I use. You want?
No.
Kahit anak niya ako, ayaw niya makipag-share ng drink, lipstick, kahit ano, as in, laway conscious germs. Conscious siya.
No sharing
Feel niya
of
may
lipstick.
germs
Always
ako.
remember, no sharing of lipstick and makeup.
Makeup, even powder and stuff.
Yeah. Powder. Unless they use their own, ano yun? Sponge.
Or brush. Why?
Eh, kasi may germs na yun eh.
Sobrang ano niya. So, huwag kayong ma-offend kung ayaw niya makipag-share sa'yo kasi ano lang talaga siya. She's so OC like that. We feel so fresh. Ready na kami to sleep. So, this is my mom's skincare routine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned something. Comment down below what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!